Okay, my name's Sarah, and I'm going to be opening the ERAS Tour Taylor Swift VIP package. Okay, there's a lot of confetti. Is this like I don't know what this is. Oh wait, there's oh, I think these might be photos. Aw, oh, these are like, oh wait, this is where we're going to see it, May 26th, 28th. They're kind of like signs. Yeah, posters. They're really cute. Aw, that's so sweet. Here, we'll put that down there. And then, oh, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it's like a lanyard, and I think it glows. Aww. And then, I don't know what this is. What's this? Oh, it's a pin. It says VIP on it. Oh wait, is there something else? There's more stuff in here. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh, look how cool that is. It's our ticket. Obviously it's not like the real ticket, but then on the back it says VIP. Oh, I think this is a sticker. This might be a sticker. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, there's more stuff in here. They're postcards of each of her albums. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's one more thing, I believe. Is this a tote bag? Okay. The last thing is a little tote bag, and then on the back it's the tour dates. And that's it.